A new door can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. However, ensuring a smooth door installation requires some preparation, especially in a climate like Houston's, where humidity and temperature fluctuations can impact materials. Whether you're replacing an existing door or installing a brand new one, following these steps will make the process easier and more efficient. Choose the right door for Houston's climate. Before installation day, it's crucial to select a door that suits Houston's unique weather conditions. The city experiences high humidity, intense heat, and occasional severe storms. Opt for materials like fiberglass, steel, or treated wood that resist warping, swelling, and deterioration due to moisture and heat. Consider insulated doors if energy efficiency is a priority, as they help keep your home cool during Houston's hot summers and reduce energy bills. Also, if your home is in a hurricane-prone area, a storm-resistant door with impact-resistant glass is a wise investment. Measure twice, order once. Accurate measurements are key to a successful door installation. Even a small discrepancy can lead to costly delays or adjustments. If you're replacing an existing door, measure the width, height, and depth of the frame. Additionally, check if the door frame is square and level. Uneven floors or shifting foundations, common in Houston, can affect the fit. If you're unsure about measurements, consult a professional installer to avoid costly mistakes. Clear the installation area. To make the installation process as efficient as possible, clear out the area around your door. Remove any furniture, rugs, or decorations that might obstruct the workspace. This provides installers with easy access and minimizes the risk of accidental damage to your belongings. Outside, trim any plants or branches that might interfere with the door installation. If you have an outdoor light fixture near the doorway, consider removing it temporarily to give the installers ample space to work. Prepare for dust and debris. Door installation involves removing the old door, adjusting the frame, and securing the new door, all of which can create dust and debris. Protect your flooring by laying down a drop cloth or tarp. If you have pets or small children, consider keeping them in a separate room to avoid any accidents or disruptions during the process. Check for structural issues. Houston's shifting clay soil can cause foundation settling, which might impact door frames. Before installation, inspect your doorway for any cracks, rotting wood, or signs of water damage. If you notice significant structural issues, consult a professional to address them before proceeding with the door installation. Schedule the installation at the right time. Houston's weather can be unpredictable, with sudden rain showers and high humidity levels. While professional installers can work year-round, choosing a day with mild weather can make the process smoother. Avoid scheduling installations during peak summer months when excessive heat can make the job more challenging. Communicate with your installer. If you're hiring a professional installer, clear communication is key. Discuss your expectations, ask questions about the process, and confirm details like the estimated time for completion. If you have specific concerns, such as maintaining energy efficiency or enhancing security, bring them up before the installation begins. Inspect the finished work. Once the door installation is complete, take the time to inspect the work thoroughly. Ensure that the door opens and closes smoothly, seals properly, and aligns with the frame. Check for any gaps that could lead to air leaks or security vulnerabilities. If you notice any issues, address them with the installer immediately to ensure a perfect fit. Final thoughts. Preparing your home for a door installation in Houston doesn't have to be stressful. By selecting the right door, measuring accurately, clearing the workspace, and addressing potential structural concerns ahead of time, you can ensure a seamless installation process. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, energy efficiency, or security, taking these steps will help you enjoy the benefits of your new door for years to come.